Hey guys, I'm back today and I'm going to start off with this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm only going to be applying that to my lashes because in all honesty, I feel like the e.l.f. Power Grip is way too sticky for my liking. But I'm going to keep it and use it for my brows because it's awesome for that. Now I'm going to take these two Colourpop pencils, you guys. One of them is in the brown black and the other is in light brown. I'm just going to take those for my brows today. I'm going to fill in the beginning of my brows with the light brown one, and then I'm going to fill in the rest of my brow with the dark brown one. I do this just so it can give a gradient effect so I don't have to do too much work. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and this flat concealer brush and just etch out my brows, you guys. This Fawn, y'all, this is for years and years and years I've been using it and I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Sigma eyeshadow base in Persuade. What I'm going to do is take that on a like one of the smaller sponges. This one I got is from Milani. If y'all are following my tutorials, y'all saw this in one of the other makeup videos. So the reason why I'm doing this is to control the amount of product that I use. And I'm just going to go ahead and dab that all over my lids. All of my colors are going to be coming from this Too Faced Gingerbread Spicy Palette today, you guys. The links to everything will be down in the bottom bar, by the way. The very first color I'm going to be using is called Vanilla Wafers. The next color I'm going to be taking is called For the Gram. I'm going to take that color and smudge it into my crease and also up under my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Butterscotch, and Butterscotch is going to go all over my mobile lid. Now I am going to go ahead and take Cookie Call, and Cookie Call is, I'm going to kind of make me a winged eyeliner or attempt to make me a wing liner with Cookie Call, you guys. I don't know, I was just experimenting with something because I'm kind of gonna go give myself a wing line, and I don't know, it turned out okay, but I still put eyeliner over it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Revlon Exaggerate eyeliner and kind of go over the brown liner that y'all see me put. I don't know, you guys, I don't know, like I said, I was testing something, but yeah, I'm just gonna go kind of over, only leaving a little bit of the brown visible, if you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna go over that with the eyeliner and give myself like another winged line. Now I'm gonna take this Maybelline Tattoo Studio eye pencil. It is a gel eye pencil in walnut, and just go ahead and line my bottom waterline. I'm going to go ahead now and take this Clinique eyeliner, and what I'm going to do is just tightline my eyes. What this does is just basically gives me a more darker look and makes my eye pop. Y'all, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn again and highlight my face. Now I must tell y'all, this was a mistake. I did not put any primer or anything whatsoever on my face first, and please, I did not realize that I have no primer, no nothing on my face yet. I did not realize this until I was like halfway through, well, all the way through my makeup look, honestly, and then beginning stages of my base foundation. But you guys, after I realized that, I was like, oh my goodness, I forgot to go ahead and put any primer on my face whatsoever, which y'all know I typically do before anything. But anyways, you guys, I was gonna go ahead and use this honey concealer to go ahead and just conceal some of the dark spots, because I don't want to take any chances with the foundation that I'm going to use. If it not, y'all see my facial expression right there telling y'all I forgot to use my primer. So what I did is I went back to go ahead and get my primer that I am going to use. Today I am using the No Pore Zone by Milani, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face. Y'all, I even forgot to spray my face. Normally I spray my face, put this on and the whole deal, but y'all, I don't know what was wrong with me this morning. I was just like, oh my god. But anyways, later in the day, this is when I'm making this video. I didn't have any issues with oiliness or my concealers or nothing creasing or nothing like that. But yeah, y'all, okay, that's what I did. I just forgot. That's why I didn't do it before. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray, you guys. This is my first time using it, and we'll see how this goes. But anyways, I bought it from Sephora. It came in like the mini 2-pack, so I'm going to try this. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a sponge to blend out the concealer. I'm going to be using that same sponge that I used to blend out my eyeshadow base to blend out my concealer, but using a different part of it, which is the flat part of it. Okay guys, now I'm going to use the concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and this color is Honey. I'm just going to dab that into the spots where my face is still clearing up from them dark spots, because I don't know if the foundation that I'm going to use is going to completely cover them. So I'm going to do that and then blend it out with the beauty sponge after I wait a little bit. Alright you guys, today I'm going to be using the infamous HAUSE Labs foundation. I got it from Sephora. I went and got shade match because online was not working for me. I ordered one offline, but it was not at all my shade, so I had to return it to Sephora, and I got matched while I was in the store. The color that I have is 350 medium cool, and I'm just going to take that on that blending sponge. Again, you guys, this stuff will be down in the bottom bar, and just blend that on to my face. The color match for me is perfect. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, and that's exactly what it gave me, like a medium coverage, not really full. I could have built it up to more, but I guess that I'll do that next time. I just want to see how it wears. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Laura Mercier setting powder. This one is in Honey, and I'm going to go ahead and set everywhere that I have placed my highlight. You guys, I'm noticing that the highlight gives me a more natural look when I put it up under my foundation versus over my foundation. It's quite alright, but I don't think I'm going to do that no more, because I like my highlight being a highlight. So if you guys notice, you can see my highlight, but it looks very, very natural. But anyways, with that powder, what I'm just going to go ahead and do, which y'all saw me doing before, was just blending out any creases so I don't set the creases. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and set my face with that powder. I do like this powder, you guys, and it does keep my under eyes matte but not really dry. Now I'm going to take this bronzer I got from Sephora, you guys. I forgot the color. It'll be down in the bottom bar, but I'm just going to use the smaller brush to go ahead and contour my nose, and then I'm going to use that larger one to contour the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this LA Girl Pro Pressed Face Powder with this large fluffy brush and set my face. The powder is in Soft Honey. Alright you guys, now I'm going to go ahead and take this blush and pinch me on this angled brush. The link to all this stuff as well as the brushes, you guys, will be down in the bottom bar. I absolutely love this blush. This is one of my favorite ones. If you guys have been noticing, this is the blush that I use in most of my makeup tutorials. Taking again that Charlotte Tilbury spray, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my entire face to just set all my makeup, you guys, and then get my mascara and stuff. I do this afterwards just for the simple fact that my mascara is not waterproof. One of them is, one of them isn't, but typically my mascara is not waterproof. So that's why I do not spray put my mascara and then spray my face, because I don't want it to run. I'm going to be mixing both of these mascaras together. They're both by Lash Essence, the Lash Princess line. One is in False Lash Effect Mascara and the other is in Sculpted Volume. For my lippy today, you guys, I'm going to be using these NYX Butter Glosses. One is in Fortune Cookie and the other one is in Cinnamon Roll. I'm going to go ahead and start off with Cinnamon Roll first, and then I'm going to top it off with Fortune Cookie. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for my new and returning subscribers. I love you all. I'll see you all in my very next video. Bye.